Okay. See, today we are going to see some questions about ionization energy. So we are going to discuss some basic problems. First question, one of the famous question we get is your between nitrogen and oxygen. See, it will be asked ionization energy of nitrogen is more than oxygen. Why? Okay, why? Now the answer is, see, if you see the electronic configuration of nitrogen 7 is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. That 2p3 we can write as 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So this P subshell is half filled. Okay, half filled. So it will have larger exchange energy and it will be more stable. Okay, more stable. So this is more stable configuration, but for oxygen 8, what will be the case? Now the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, that is 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1, this much you know. Okay, so here this is not half filled, not half filled. Okay, so this is not stable, this is not half filled, neither it is stable. So I can write this is unstable. Okay, so see, this is more stable. It will never try to lose an electron from the outermost shell. So I can say due to half filled configuration, it is more stable. Ionization energy is high. Yes or no? Ionization energy will be high. Here it is unstable, so it can lose electron easily. So ionization energy will be low. Yes or no? Similarly, see, this is one question. Another question you can say, it will be asked that again the previous element nitrogen has more ionization energy than carbon, but it, why, this is the question. But actually if you see, it should have been ionization energy of nitrogen. Hmm. It is saying ionization energy of nitrogen is greater than ionization energy of carbon. Okay, why? See, two factors are here. First factor is your size factor. We know carbon is atomic number 6, nitrogen is atomic number 7. From here to here, size, what happens? Nuclear charge increases, size decreases. Okay, size decreases. If size decreases, effective nuclear charge increases. Yes or no? Okay, effective nuclear charge increases. If effective nuclear charge increases, ionization energy increases. Okay, ionization energy increases. But this is the first factor. Second factor is there, that is electronic configuration. Okay, electronic configuration. What is that factor? Saying that carbon 6 has outer electronic configuration 2s2 2p2, but nitrogen has 2s2 2p3. Okay, so this is not half filled, not half filled. Okay, if it is not half filled, it is unstable, so it can lose electron easily, so ionization energy is low for carbon. But here in this case it is half filled, it is half filled. If it is half filled, then sorry, if it is half filled, then it will be stable. Okay, if it is stable, then ionization energy will be high. This is what the question is asking, that ionization energy of carbon is more than that of sorry, ionization energy of nitrogen is more than that of carbon. Okay, understood. See, next question, third question. If it is asked, write the ionization energy sequence. Okay, see, interesting question. Between lithium and helium, which has higher ionization energy? This is so simple. See, we can say helium is configuration 2, so it is 1s2, so it is satisfying duplet, so it is inert gas configuration, inert gas configuration. Okay, if it is inert gas configuration, this then this is very stable. Okay, this is very stable, so ionization energy must be high, should be high. Okay, but lithium has atomic number 3, it has configuration 1s2 2s1. Okay, so if it loses one electron, it will gain stable electronic configuration. If it is loses this 2s electron, it will go to lithium plus, which is 1s2 configuration, that will become again the helium configuration, so it will lose one electron easily. Okay, so this electronic configuration is unstable, so it has ionization energy low. Okay, so I can say ionization energy of helium is greater than ionization energy of lithium. This is fine, this much you know. But see the next question, it is saying ionization energy of lithium plus is more than helium. See the difference, here it is lithium plus, here only lithium atom, here it is helium, here it is also helium. So see here what will happen. Now this is lithium plus, if this is lithium plus, it will have configuration 1s2, this is stable. Then what happens? Helium is also there. Helium is also having atomic number 2, so it will have 1s2 configuration. It is also stable. Both have same configuration. Then why this one is having higher ionization energy? Here the effective nuclear charge and the size come into play. Okay, so what happens? See here, the ion is lithium plus, it is having a positive charge. So due to positive charge, nuclear attraction is more. Nuclear attraction is more. Okay, and size or radius is less. Okay, radius is less. So both these two electron, so 1s2 electrons are more tightly or less tightly? Obviously more tightly bound. Okay, obviously more tightly bound. Clear? If it is more tightly bound, then ionization energy will be high. Okay, but here in this helium case, what happens? There is no charge. Okay, here 3 protons are there, so nuclear attraction is more. Here 2 protons are there, so nuclear attraction is less. Sorry, nuclear attraction is less. Okay, if nuclear attraction is less, then size is more. If size is more, electrons are less tightly bound. Electrons are less tightly bound. Okay, if electrons are less tightly bound, then ionization energy is low. So in this case, we are getting ionization energy of lithium plus is more than ionization energy of helium. But here you see the difference. Ionization of normal helium is less than ionization energy of helium. Here you are getting ionization energy of lithium plus is more than ionization energy of helium. So these are the questions, and normal question will be there, like if I say in problem 5, I can take up this one, that ionization energy of neon is greater than ionization energy of fluorine. Obviously this is inert gas configuration. It has 2s2 2p6 fulfilled octet inert gas configuration, stable. Also size is less. Size is less. All the factor favoring high ionization energy. Yes or no? It is a normal question. Here the electronic configuration will be 2s2 2p5. So it is unstable electronic configuration. If it is unstable electronic configuration, size is also large, so ionization energy will be less. Yes or no? Clear? Similarly, you can go for problem number 6, that is problem number 6. Ionization energy of fluorine. Ionization energy of fluorine is more than ionization energy of oxygen. Okay, I can write like this: ionization energy of oxygen. Similarly, only size factor is there and nuclear charge factor will be there. Okay, simple. And you can take up this problem. This is very easy. Ionization energy order of lithium, sodium and potassium, rubidium, cesium. Now the group size increases, ionization energy decreases. Okay, only size factor will be there. Problem 8, regarding ionization energy, you can say see, suppose you have calcium. It says ionization energy 1 will be higher than ionization energy 2 for calcium. But general trend for ionization energy, we know ionization energy 1 is always less than ionization energy 2 is less than ionization energy 3, like this. Yes or no? But this is not true for all the cases. See, here is an example where you can say the ionization energy of calcium, fast ionization energy of calcium is more than second ionization energy of calcium. See, what is calcium's atomic number? 20. So it has outer configuration, see, 3, sorry, 3s2, 3p6, then it will have 4s2. These are the two outer electrons. When we are we are applying fast ionization energy. When we apply fast ionization energy, one electron will be removed from this outermost shell only. So it will become, outermost shell will become 4s1. Yes or no? These are there. 3s2, 3p6 will be there. Okay. So this is becoming 4s1. It will, this is unstable. This is unstable. Okay. This is also unstable. So it will, if we provide some energy, an electron will loss from this one and will get 4s1. But if we lose another electron from here, -1 electron, it will go to 3s2, 3p6, which is nothing but argon 18 configuration. So here we are giving ionization energy to see here. You have ionization energy 1, you have ionization energy 2. We are going from a unstable to unstable state. Then the second step is unstable to stable. Which will be more favorable? This one. So it will eagerly, the calcium plus will be eagerly waiting to get some energy to remove one electron and become stable. Okay, ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିଦେଉଛି ଦେଖ, यार दुईटा इलेक्ट्रॉन थिला अनस्टेबल स्टेट रे, गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन अच्छी अनस्टेबल स्टेट रे, एठू से जीव जदि गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करिवो हेई जीव स्टेबल, तो सी अनेकी बसिथिवो किए मते टिके एनर्जी देले मु गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन छाड़ी देबी 4s1 रो आ स्टेबल हे जीव। तो ए एनर्जीटा अल्प ही दरकार हबो, एटा कोन हे जीव बेसी दरकार हबो। तो ए केस रे आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी 1 टा कोन हे जाउची ना ग्रेटर देन आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी 2। ओके, एटा कोन हे जाउची आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी 1 टा हे जाउची ग्रेटर देन आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी 2। क्लियर बुझेला करी हबा ती जिंस एतक थिला आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी रिलेटेड तमरा कोन क्वेश्चन आंसर ई टाइप रो पढ़ी परिबो। ठीक अछि ओके देखो नेक्स्ट रे हमें पढ़िबा को जाउचे इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी।